We're at Plymouth Station, about to get on our next train, our next leg, Malcolm Barnecott's in hand. Let's go onto the GWR Class 43 HST. Cue the intro. About to cross the Royal Albert Bridge, spanning the River Tamar, connecting Devon with Cornwall. Designed by none other than Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Prince Albert opened this bridge in 1859, but Brunel did die later that year, hence his name was then placed above the portals at either end of the bridge as a memorial. So there we see the glimpse of St. Michael's Mount. Did you know that there's one in France? They call it Le Mont Saint-Michel. It actually looks a little bit better than the Cornish one. Now approaching Penzance, where this train terminates. All change, please. All change.
Plate on the door.
So we've arrived at Penzance station. Here we go, there's the HST that's brought us in. Quite a good journey, as you know, Plymouth to Penzance. Now we just need to wait for our next leg of our journey, which will be Penzance onwards. So spend a bit of time in the town and then start heading our way back. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Le Mega Sim. The next one will be a good one, so keep a lookout for that. So another train real world, but I'll see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. Bye.